Hey everyone, so now we're gonna go over the right hand turns for the follow. So the right hand turns are gonna be done on the first 4 counts. So we're gonna start off with our right foot on the 1. So from a basic position, you're going to turn your foot kind of to the side, getting ready for the turn on that 1. And then on the 2, you're going to swing your left foot around into a 180. So you're gonna go and 2, and now you're going to be facing the back. So from here, on that 3, you're going to swing your right foot around again. And now you should be kind of open, so your right foot should be facing forward and left should be kind of turned still. Because on that 4, you're going to bring in your left foot and tap. So now you're at where you would be in a normal basic. And then you can finish it off with a regular basic on the 5, 6, 7, 8. So then you go 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, that's going to look like out on the 1, then 180 on the 2, so you're facing the back, then swing your right leg around on that 3, and then tap in place on that 4. And then you can just finish it off with a basic 5, 6, 7, 8.